With TerrAvion, you can use our imagery to identify infected areas of your field, to inform decisions on when and where to apply fungicide, and to evaluate effectiveness of a fungicide application by comparing treated and untreated areas in your successive imagery throughout the season. TerrAvion imagery can help you monitor your fields and identify suspicious areas that warrant in-person scouting. In this image, you see a cornfield where there has likely been a disease outbreak in the north side of the field. The suspected disease shows itself as an area of low vigor in the NDVI imagery. It would be extremely hard to identify a diseased area such as this without the benefit of aerial imagery. This irregularity would likely warrant an in-person inspection of the area. If you ground truth the image and determine that disease is the cause of the low vigor, consult your agronomist to form a plan of action. If you do decide to make a chemical application, you can use the NDVI imagery to monitor the effectiveness of your treatments. In this image, taken a month after a chemical treatment, you can see a more uniform growth throughout the field. You can use the comparison viewer tool to compare successive images of a treated area of your field to monitor the effects of a chemical treatment. While in the comparison viewer, you can zoom in on either image and both images will zoom to your focus area. In this image taken just before harvest, you can see that the growth of this field has become more uniform as the crop has matured. Assuming a chemical was applied when the outbreak was first identified, you can likely conclude by monitoring your imagery from the preceding flight cycles that the application was successful. You can use the polygon tool to select and measure an infected area of your field. You can then use this information to help you calculate the cost of a targeted fungicide application. You can also download either the GeoJSON or shapefile of the selected area, which you can then share with your agronomist or distributor, or integrate into a variable rate application program. This is how you can use TerrAvion imagery to identify infected areas of your field, to make decisions on when and where to apply chemicals, and to monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of a chemical application by comparing successive imagery of treated and untreated areas of your field. Thank you for watching, and please visit TerrAvion's use case page at terravion.com for more information on how you can save using our imagery to fight disease outbreaks in your fields.